Just a quick introduction and a setup so you understand what's going on here. What you're seeing on the screen now is a P0204 code, which was an issue I had with the number 4 injector that I've already fixed, and that video is online. As you can see, this is in the history of the codes, and it also is not a severe code. Now you're going to see the current code, which is a P0205. If you look at the code reader, you'll see that it is showing a severity. This has thrown the truck into limp mode. So the P0205 means injector number 5, and this is a video of how I replaced the plug on that. This is a 2017 Chevrolet Duramax 2500 HD with 259,000 miles. So now number 5's messed up. So number 5 is supposed to be pretty easy. It's supposed to be right back there. So you got to take this inner liner out, which these seem to be just pop pins, I think. Oh my goodness, there was like 7,000 of those. They're 20mm Torx. Chevy could probably reduce the new cost of a truck by $10,000. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 2 way down there. See the angles? 1 there. 1 there. But then this liner, it's a soft material, so you just got to get it out from under that and your fender, and then it just comes out. All right. Here's what the liner looks like, by the way. It came out easy. Number 5, which I'm getting the code for, is right under there. Take that bolt off. That cover should come out from under the guard and out. These are 10mm. And one good thing they did is they're self-captured. They'll loosen and they'll come out of the hole. But they won't come out of that cover. See? So you don't lose them. It's a good thing they did. Now, this snapped in the top. And then you just work that cover out. See how it goes behind that? And that's number 5 right there, because there's 7. 7, 5. Now for 3 and 1, you have to take this cover off and then this cover off. I don't know what else. Oh, there's a exhaust manifold in there. That would not be fun. So thank goodness it's number 5 and not one of the others. So to get that plug off there, you have to pop the safety latch back, just like that. Press it there, and then it should pull off. Gotta change hands, sorry. Just like that. And that is the bad plug. I made a mistake on one of these first ones I ever did, and I cut it way back here. Might as well cut it as close to the plug as possible. That leaves a lot of wire you can trim back to hook onto. So I'm going to trim that tape back. So I've got that trimmed back. Now for my color coding, what I'm going to do, because the new ones are, the wires are always white, and I'm told it doesn't really matter because it's 12 volts, but the green white is on the outside when the plunger's down. The green yellow is on the inside. So that's how I'll do the new one. Went ahead and crimped them on this end first. Some people will say, well, that's going to make it more difficult because now you got all the weight when you're trying to do the other side. Well, the reason I did is I learned that if you're doing the other side and you make a mistake and this doesn't crimp and you have to cut it off, there's a lot of wire here. There's no wire there. So you can't just keep cutting that back to put new connectors on it. I'm also going to tape this up to try and protect it. So to return that cover back in there, you got to slide, sorry, it's getting dark outside. Got to slide it in this way, get it under that cover, fold it in, snap, and then bolt that down. I've heat shrink those, tied them to the other wires so they don't bang around. Hope for the best. This is the plug-in wires taped but not heat shrunk yet. Please like and subscribe if this video has helped you out any. Hit the notification bell for any future videos. To put the cover back on, just do everything in reverse order. Just slide it in, bolt it down, make sure it snaps in at the top, put your wheel well back in, put all 1,000 bolts back in it. This has had over 1,000 miles since I've done this modifications, and I haven't had any issues. All the code's cleared and everything seems to be going good. I'll have all parts and everything listed in the description below. Thank you, and I hope this fixes your truck.